Barbecuing is a national pastime. So too is cleaning the grill. It's messy and requires too much effort. GrillBot is here to clean your grill. GrillBot is an automatic grill cleaning robot. GrillBot is packed with technology under the hood, including a computer brain, 3 powerful engines, and a lithium-ion battery. Cleaning your grill has never been easier. Set the clean time, either 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Power flows directly from the lithium-ion battery to the brain. GrillBot's powerful engines come to life, and GrillBot goes to work. Reaching deep into the grill, GrillBot's powerful brushes remove even the toughest grime, leaving a shiny grill ready for your next barbecue. Those amazing barbecue ribs you serve on special occasions. Those burgers your dad taught you how to make. GrillBot will clean your grill to a spotless shine with no mess and no effort. Forget about those wire brushes that always go flat. GrillBot's quick-release brushes are easy to remove and clean. Even a full day's barbecuing is no match for the GrillBot. Holidays, backyard barbecues, and even those big tailgate parties are easy to clean up. You've worked hard all week and have just barbecued an amazing meal. Let GrillBot do the cleanup.
Microwave meals splatter, splash, and spill, forcing you to clean with harsh chemicals, but you still end up scraping and scrubbing. To get angry, now there's Angry Mama, the fast, easy, and natural way to steam away microwave crud in just minutes.
I love Angry Mama. That girl cleans everything.
It's easy. Just add vinegar and water to the fill lines. Place Angry Mama in any microwave where she gets steaming mad. Inside, a powerful non-toxic steam blasts every surface to quickly clean, disinfect, and deodorize. We put her to the test. Stubborn pasta sauce? Not with Angry Mama. It wipes off with ease. stuck on pizza cheese. With her steaming spout, it comes right out. Greasy bacon splatter? Angry Mama knocks it out every time. The secret? The specially designed head that pressurizes and allows concentrated cleaning steam to escape, melting away crud and grime in no time.
It was always a pain to clean in those tough-to-reach corners, but now with Angry Mama, those areas are spotless.
Our office microwave was disgusting, but thanks to Angry Mama, it now looks and smells new.
Stop scrubbing and spraying chemicals. Now get a natural spotless shine in no time with Angry Mama.